I would like to invite on stage Mrs. Parami Fernando, representative of the Sri Lanka Tourism Development Authority, to address us a few words, please.
Secretary General of UN World Tourism Organization, ambassadors, ministers, members of UNWTO, Basque Culinary Center, and dear delegates. It is with a heavy heart I stand here and address you all on behalf of the tourism community in Sri Lanka. We are deeply shocked and saddened by the series of attacks occurred on Easter Sunday in the cities of Colombo, Negombo, and Batticaloa. Sri Lanka Tourism would like to reassure the world that all possible measures have been taken to ensure the safety and security of the general public and tourists alike. Our world-famous tourism sites, hotels, resorts, and other tourist attractions remain open as usual. In fact, the 2 of the 3 hotels that were attacked are already open to serve you. Tourism is a key sector for Sri Lanka. 1 in every 10 Sri Lankan families depend on tourism for their livelihood, both directly and indirectly. At Sri Lanka Tourism, we are focused on ensuring that the right groundwork is laid to drive an effective and efficient recovery for this critical industry. The benefits reach far beyond our sector and influence Sri Lanka's international standing. Herein lies the potential of tourism. As we learn about gastronomy tourism today, we would also like to fondly remember Mrs. Shanta Mayadunne. Mrs. Mayadunne was Sri Lanka's first TV chef who had more than 30 years of experience. She lost her life at this tragic incident alongside her daughter while dining at one of the hotels which came under attack. Mrs. Mayadunne represents the many benefits that this forum is presenting to the international tourism community. She empowered generations by conducting classes, workshops, and mass media programs on Sri Lankan gastronomy. She was an example of how gastronomy tourism also contributes to the economic empowerment of women. We believe that all of this reflects the true spirit of the World Forum on Gastronomy Tourism. We are grateful and humbled by the resilience and generosity of all the tourists who have chosen to continue trusting in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a proudly diverse, multicultural nation known for its resilience and tolerance.